How to tag someone in an Instagram comment. If you see a post you like and want to share it with a friend by tagging them in the comments, you can do it easily. Open the Instagram app on your phone and find the post where you want to leave a comment. Once you find the post, tap on the speech bubble icon at the bottom left of the post. This will open the comments section and allow you to type a message. To tag someone, type the @ symbol followed by their username. As you type, Instagram will suggest usernames that match. When you see the correct account, tap on it to select it. The username will now appear in the comment as a clickable link. After writing your message and tagging the person, tap the Post button. Your comment will now be visible under the post. The person you tagged will receive a notification letting them know they have been mentioned. Tagging someone in a comment is a great way to share posts with friends and get their attention on something you think they will like. You can tag multiple people by adding more @ symbols and usernames in the same comment. That's how to tag someone in an Instagram comment.